Did you know that yawning is one of the easiest things you can do for yourself and for your well-being? Yes, yawning is actually so potent and so simple. It helps you to shift from a state of contraction and tension into more openness and relaxation. So yawning is not only good for the muscles in the face where your jaw gets relaxed and your soft palate, your neck as well. No, it also helps your cerebrospinal fluid to flow better through your spine so that you can have more flexibility in your whole vertebra and your whole spine. So yawning is also helping you to shift from one state to the next. For example, when you yawn in the morning or during the day, actually afterwards you might feel more alert, more wakeful, more present. So it helps you to shift state. But in the evening, for example, when you come at home after a long day of working, you will see that yawning helps you to calm down and to relax. So it's so potent and so simple. Let's give it a try. I always say with yawning, it's a little bit like fake it until you make it. So you start to kind of fake it, do a little bit as if you were yawning right now. And you will see that eventually at one point a true yawning will arise. So you lift a little bit the soft palate behind, make space in your mouth. You can also stretch a little bit, inviting the body also to go into this full body yawning. And then, using also perhaps a little bit your voice, and then you can really go for it. Have fun, be playful, because this movement, also this opening of the mouth, this movement of the neck, of the head, the widening, the opening of the shoulders while you yawn is really helping the whole body to open up. So really enjoy it, be playful. You can really open your mouth without bothering to put your hand in front, as we very often do when we are in a more social context. But here you can feel free. The point here with yawning is that it's helping you to be into this freedom of juicy fun. And I'm very curious to see how this will work for you. So if you have some interesting experience with that, please add it in the comments. If you like this video, you can subscribe and have fun with this powerful and simple tool.